Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Fixing Django Admin CSS Issues After Upgrading to Python 2.6 and Ubuntu 9.0. Introduction. After upgrading your Python version to 2.6 and your Ubuntu system to version 9.0, you might encounter an issue where the Django admin interface fails to load CSS properly. This can result in a broken and unstyled admin panel. In most cases, this problem arises due to changes in the way Django handles static files and admin media. This tutorial will guide you through the process of resolving this issue and ensuring that the Django admin CSS is loaded correctly. Step 1. Update Django version. Before diving into the solution, ensure that you are using a Django version that is compatible with Python 2.6. Upgrade Django to the latest version that supports Python 2.6. You can use the following command to upgrade Django using pip. Replace desired _version with the version of Django compatible with Python 2.6. Step 2. Configure static files. Starting with Django 1.3, static files are handled differently. Make sure that your project's settings include the necessary configurations for serving static files. In your settings.py file, add or update the following settings. This configuration assumes that your static files are located in a folder named static within your project space directory. Adjust the paths accordingly if your static files are in a different location. Step 3. Configure Django admin media. In Django versions prior to 1.4, the admin media handling was separate from the static files setup. Ensure that you have the following configurations in your urls.py. Make sure the media_root and static_root settings are correctly pointing to the folders where your media and static files are stored. Step 4. Run collect static. After making these changes, run the following command to collect and copy static files to the specified directories. This command gathers all the static files from your apps and places them in the static_root directory. Step 5. Restart Django development server. Finally, restart your Django development server to apply the changes. Visit the Django admin interface in your browser, and the CSS should now load correctly. Conclusion. By updating your Django version, configuring static files, and ensuring proper settings for Django admin media, you should resolve the issue of missing CSS styles in the Django admin interface after upgrading to Python 2.6 and Ubuntu 9.0. If you encounter any further issues, refer to the Django documentation and community forums for additional support. ChatGPT